This is Hard Talk in London. Can you hear me?
Hard Talk studio in London. Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can. Good afternoon.
That's very good news. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you very much to your technicians for making the line work. I will put you through to our presenter, Stephen Sacker, who is standing by in the studio here, and he will talk you through the program.
Thank you.
Hello, Mohammed, can you hear me okay? It's Stephen Sacker here in London.
Hello, Steve, I can hear you, yes.
Fantastic. You know, I can tell just from the opening exchanges that there is a terrible time delay.
Yes, it is. It takes about a few seconds for me to see me doing anything.
We're so pleased that you're able to do this interview. We'll just have to live with the technical difficulties and do the best we can with it.
Thank you. I'm sure we can.
Yeah. Well, let's go for it as soon as we can because we don't want to lose the line. Of course, it's the same as usual on Hard Talk. We have 25 minutes for our conversation. You'll hear me begin, Mohammed, by reading out an introduction, and then there'll be a little bit of music, and then I'll welcome you to the show.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll just go for it. We do it as though it's live, and we'll broadcast it over the next 24 hours. Barton, just a word for you. Can we kill the speaker, the sort of feedback?
I can hear you. They've put two speakers here. I can hear through them.
Is there any way we can kill that feedback to me or not? Okay. Well, Barton's just told me that it isn't a loudspeaker problem, but
what was not allowed?
Yeah, sorry, Mohammed. We have this problem that I can hear all of my own words coming back to me about 5 seconds after I say them.
All things good come back to you.
Well, I don't know if we can fix it, but we're going to do our best. We're going to live with it anyway because we just want to make sure that we get this interview recorded before we lose the satellite link to Mali. So we're going to go for it, and we'll do our best to deal with the technical problems.
Yes. Meeting again, Kinevan. Okay. Meet Bar Colombian.
Mihar Miginistani BBC HARDTALK Rais Nasheed Dava Hasa Bastigatu.